2025 is shaping up to be a year WWE fans will never forget. The arenas are alive with energy. The superstars are more unpredictable than ever. And a wave of fresh talent is rewriting history. New faces, rebranded veterans, and shocking returns are storming the ring, challenging legends, and igniting rivalries that no one saw coming. Tonight, we take you inside the world of WWE's rising stars, those changing the game, one jaw-dropping moment at a time. The arena roars as music hits, lights flash, and the stage is set for moments that will leave the WWE universe in a... You'll see the entrances that stop even Roman Reigns in his tracks, the promos that send social media into overdrive, and matches packed with surprises that will have fans glued to their screens. Stay with us. The story you are about to witness is full of drama, shock, and pure adrenaline. The moment a rising star appears, the crowd erupts. Every fan on their feet, chants echoing across the arena, signs waving wildly in every direction. The energy is electric. You can feel it pulsing through the air. Even longtime WWE veterans pause mid-match, turning toward the ramp to see who has arrived. Some fans gasp at the sight of a rebranded NXT talent stepping into the spotlight for the first time, while others cheer loudly for a returning favorite making a surprise comeback. The crowd's reactions are more than just noise. They are part of the story, shaping every rivalry, every alliance, and every shocking twist that follows. The chants, the cheers, the collective anticipation. It's pure WWE magic. And for fans watching at home, the excitement is just as contagious, making every moment unforgettable. And then it happens. The music hits, and the arena explodes. Smoke rolls across the ramp, lights flash in, synchronized chaos, and a new superstar appears. The charisma, the intensity, and the presence are undeniable. Whether it's a fresh NXT call-up or a returning superstar with a rebranded persona, every step tells a story. The crowd reacts to every movement, from the confident stride to the dramatic pose at the end of the ramp. Imagine a rising star like Braun Breaker stepping out, eyes locked on the top champions, or a fan favorite returning under a darker, more aggressive persona. Even the most seasoned WWE veterans, like Seth Rollins or Edge, can't help but watch in disbelief. Every entrance is a statement. The future of WWE has arrived, and it's here to shake things up. Every new superstar needs a challenge, and WWE's top names are ready. Tensions rise backstage as rivalries ignite. Rhea Ripley eyes a newly rebranded talent with suspicion. LA Knight sizes up a fresh powerhouse, and Roman Reigns watches from ringside, calculating his next move. Alliances form, betrayals linger in the shadows, and old rivalries reignite with renewed intensity. Fans can sense the drama building as each promo escalates tension, teasing future clashes and epic showdowns. In the ring, the stare-downs are electric. One wrong move, and chaos erupts. From surprise tag team matches to title opportunities, the competition is fiercer than ever. Every interaction tells a story, and every feud has the potential to become legendary. WWE is not just about matches anymore. It's about drama, emotion, and moments that live in the hearts of fans forever. Meanwhile, the WWE Universe watches every moment with bated breath. Fans are glued to screens at home and in arenas worldwide. Social media explodes with reactions, tweets, memes, and predictions fill timelines within seconds. Did you see that finisher? Who will win Survivor Series? The excitement is contagious. Even casual viewers are captivated, swept up in the emotion, suspense, and storytelling. The crowd's chants echo in homes, adding to the energy of every promo and match. From arena cheers to online hype, the audience has become an integral part of the narrative. They aren't just watching, they are participating, predicting, reacting, and celebrating. The WWE Universe is alive, and every new talent's moment is amplified tenfold by this engagement. Fans' reactions elevate the drama, making each match more thrilling, each twist more shocking, and every victory more meaningful. Now, the in-ring action begins. A rising star squares off against a veteran, every move met with cheers and gasps. Signature maneuvers fly, counters stun the audience, and the referee's count intensifies suspense. Then, a shocking twist. Perhaps a returning superstar interferes, or an unannounced ally jumps in, turning the match upside down. Imagine a young powerhouse landing a jaw-dropping finisher on Roman Reigns, only for the match to end in unexpected chaos. The crowd explodes. Commentators shout in disbelief, and social media erupts with live reactions. Moments like these define WWE. Unpredictability, drama, and high-stakes action that leave fans on the edge of their seats. Each match is a roller coaster, blending athleticism with storytelling, building toward a climax that no one can anticipate. As the dust settles, the arena pulses with energy. Victories are celebrated, rivalries are intensified, and the future of WWE stands brighter than ever. The rising stars have made their mark, leaving fans and legends alike in awe. Alliances are solidified, new champions emerge, and the WWE Universe cheers for moments that will become iconic. The drama, the suspense, and the electrifying matches all remind us why WWE continues to captivate audiences worldwide. From ramp entrances to shocking twists, every detail contributes to an unforgettable experience. And as the lights dim, fans know that the stories aren't over. The next chapter of WWE history is waiting, with new talent ready to challenge the old guard, pushing the boundaries of athleticism, entertainment, and pure adrenaline. Who will dominate WWE in 2025? Which rising stars will become legends? Share your predictions in the comments below. Smash that like button if you love shocking returns. And subscribe for exclusive match breakdowns, backstage insights, and all the latest WWE drama. The future of WWE is unpredictable, thrilling, and full of surprises, and you're invited to witness every moment. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping entrances, rivalries, and unforgettable moments that will define WWE history. This is more than wrestling. It's storytelling, passion, and adrenaline all in one. Don't miss a second!